Turn off the video camera. I'm gonna kick your ass. Stop. 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 Please stop. 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 Now. Stop. Now. 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 Stop. 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 Now. No. Now. 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 Maybe now? How about now? Right now. I can't find anything to throw at you. There, piss off. Now. 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 Why? Why?
What are you doing?
He's videotaping me like a retard.
What are you doing that's special?
I was eating egg salad and he started to videotape me.
Well, videotape mommy.
No, with the cat. Oh no. Quoi? Quoi? Qu'est-ce que c'est? La gâté. La gâté.
Damn it. There's ants everywhere.
Why do you guys
Swear to God. There's ants everywhere.
blame my...
Tell you're overreacting. No, Cammy, I swear to God, every second there's an ant crawling on me.
Stop smoking.
I'm not smoking.
That was so
Oh,
funny.
you're so getting it.
No. Oh. Wait, no wait. There. There. You're choking me with my hoodie. Okay, now you just exhausted me.
Good. Good night.